노를 보고 싶어요. What does this sentence mean? And if you would notice, bogo is in red letter because today, here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to talk about the word Boda. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 111. Boda. Boda. This is a two-syllable word. The first syllable is bo, the second syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. Boda. Boda. The word boda is a root verb, and this is used to indicate the action of seeing or looking at something. Again, boda means to see or to look at. Now, how do we spell boda in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable bo in Hangul, we need to draw first a biyop character followed by an o character. And then for the second syllable da, we need to draw first a dikot character followed by an a character. And then, we just have to combine the Hangul for each of the syllables to form the Hangul of the word boda. Now let's see how boda is used in a sentence. The example sentence says, I want to see you, or I miss you. The Korean translation of this English sentence is 너를 보고 싶어요. Again, 너를 보고 싶어요. The first part of the sentence is 너를, and this part means you. But take note that no is an object, and 를 is just added to no as an object particle. If you could recall, these are the rules on object particle. If the object has a consonant ending, we need to add 을. But if the object has a vowel ending, we need to add 를. And for this case, since we have no, which has a vowel ending, we need to add 를. The next part of the sentence is boda, which means to see, and go 싶어요, which means I want to. And these two combined will result into 보고 싶어요. How is 보고 싶어요 formed? First of all, remember that boda is a root verb, meaning it could be transformed into other forms. If we wanted to say, I want to see, then we would need to add go 싶어. To be able to do that, we need to remove da from boda and then add go 싶어. And that results to 보고 싶어. Remember that 보고 싶어 means I want to see. Lastly, we just have to add yo at the end of 보고 싶어 to make it polite. And that's how 보고 싶어요 is formed. And if we will look back into the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know that the meaning of the sentence 너를 보고 싶어요 is simply I want to see you or I miss you. And with that, you've just learned boda. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 101 to 110. But don't forget, our word for today is boda. This is a root verb which means to see or to look at. Word number 110 is 진짜, and this is an informal way of saying really. Word number 109 is 개, and this is the Korean noun for dog. Word number 108 is 운동, and this is the Korean noun for exercise. Word number 107 is 공부, and this is the Korean noun for studies. Word number 106 is sarange, and this is an informal way of saying I love you. Word number 105 is mukbang, and this is the Korean noun for eating broadcast. Word number 104 is orenmania, and this is used to say long time no see. Word number 103 is gajima. This is an imperative phrase which means don't go. Word number 102 is hajima. This is another imperative phrase which means don't do it or stop it. And the last for our review is word number 101, tala. This is an adjective which means to be different. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.